Bonjour, Namaste India. We are Citroen. We are an 100-year-old iconic French brand.
French by birth and with creativity in its DNA. Citroen, with its 100-year history of making audacious and visionary vehicles, is set to make its debut in India. We are part of the PSA Group. In India, we have two joint ventures with the CK Birla Group to manufacture and market vehicles at Tiruvallur and to make powertrains at Hosur, both in the southern state of Tamil Nadu. Because we are Indians in India, we are going to roll out our first Made in India Citroen before the end of 2021.
We are Citroen and we are inspired by you.
Our founder André Citroen believed that all our creativity and innovation is no good if it doesn't improve your everyday on the road. Hence, we at Citroen have strived to remain inspired by you since 1919. So in India, we make it our job to understand your needs, your habits, your dreams and your optimism to design and build vehicles that are inspired by you, inspired by India.
We are Citroen. We are customer first.
At the core of Citroen brand, we believe in providing smart technologies and innovations for the comfort of our customers. We don't just serve our customers, we are inspired by them. In India, we are going to bring alive a unique selling online initiative through seamless integration of Atavadak, a digital initiative that will give our customers the power to buy their Citroen vehicles online anytime with just a click of a button on their smartphones or other digital devices, and the freedom to experience the cars from the comfort of home. It also means service on wheels at any location, pick up and drop for car servicing, and new car delivery at home.
We are Citroen. We are digital.
Citroen is geared up to bring a digital disruption in the Indian automotive industry. And we are going to do it with anytime, anywhere, any device, any content, or what we call Atavadak. Helping customers stay connected to the dealership from a phone, tablet or laptop. And empowering them to configure their cars and services exactly as they'd like them.
We are Citroen. We are digital.
We will offer a network equipped with physical and digital assets to guarantee that every customer across the country enjoys the Atavadak experience. A network that is configured to expand in scalable formats.
We are Citroen. We are looking for partners.
We have a robust business plan for India and we need like-minded dealers to achieve it together. If you are tech-savvy and have what it takes to be a Citroen dealer, come, join hands with us.